Hey barbecue warriors, here at the compound under the pavilion. What we're doing today, we're doing some barbecue pulled pork deviled eggs. That's right, barbecue pulled pork deviled eggs. Very simple recipe, won't take you long to do it. Longest thing you're gonna have to do is boil those eggs. Because what I'm using leftover pulled pork from one of our cook schools. So what we got going on here, I got 6 boiled eggs right here. I like the jumbos, it gives me more yolk. I got a pound of pulled pork. I got 2 tablespoons of sweet relish. Now I like sweet pickle relish. You may like dill, that's up to you. I got a ½ cup of mayo. I got 3 tablespoons of my sweet heat mustard sauce right here. Then I got 2 tablespoons of my original rub. First thing you gotta do, you gotta go in and cut your eggs in half. Always cut them length the longest way. Makes a prettier presentation. Once you cut them, pop the yolks out. I got a cool little tray here my wife gave me. All right, we got our whites separated from our yolks. Gonna take our chopper right here, chop our yolks up where they'll be fine. All right, we're gonna add our rub. Add our relish. Add our sweet heat mustard sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and give that a quick stir. Now I got a ½ cup of mayo over here. And I'm gonna add it. And I may not need it all because I don't want to get it over creamy. I don't want to get it runny. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of it, stir it in. That's about the consistency you want. Because now we gotta put our pulled pork in. All right, now we're gonna stuff these halves. Now when you put them in the refrigerator, it's gonna firm up a little bit. Not gonna be as thin as it is right now. My granny used to take them when she got them done and she'd add a little paprika over the top to give it color. But guess what I'm gonna put over it? I got a little bit more of my original rub here. All I want is just a little light dash for the same reason, but my color has got some flavor. And that, barbecue warriors, is barbecue pulled pork deviled eggs. Now how easy was that? Next time you're doing a picnic, pop these eggs on them, everybody will love you. See you next time right here, warriors. Y'all be safe. Keep smoking.